Hey guys, welcome to Innovative Learning. This is Professor Manish Narayan. Today we'll be evaluating expressions using PEMDAS. So let's get started. So what is PEMDAS? So I'm going to write it out here. PEMDAS. Right? So P stands for parentheses. All right, so you get a set of parentheses here. Okay. Uh, E is for exponent. So when you have powers or exponents, you solve those first. M is for multiplication. Okay. D is for division. A is for addition. And finally, S is for subtraction. Okay. So let's solve these problems. Problem number one. All right. So let's take care of the parentheses first, because that's what PEMDAS describes as our order of operations. So I'm going to just copy down the 3, and then I'm going to add the 6 plus 7, because after parentheses we have addition, parentheses addition. So 6 plus 7 is 13. And next step is to get rid of the parentheses and multiply the 3 and the 13. So that gives me 39. Okay, perfect. Problem number 2. Again, apply PEMDAS. It looks like we have no parentheses, we have no exponents, we have multiplication. So let's go left to right. 5 times 3, we got 5 and 3, so that becomes 15 times 2. Remember, one step at a time. Okay, and then the next step is, again, we're left with multiplication out of the PEMDAS. So 15 times 2 is equal to 30. And you're done. All right, problem number 3. We have, looks like we have no parentheses and no exponents, no multiplication, but we have division. Remember, this is the exact order you have to follow is PEMDAS. Multiplication, division always come before addition, subtraction. So if you're confused here, follow PEMDAS. All right, so it looks like I have division, so I do that first, right? This one, 72 divided by 9. So 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. Then I copy the rest of the equation. And finally, after multiplication and division, I go to the addition, subtraction. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, and you're done. All right, problem number 4. Again, PEMDAS. We see a plus here, but be careful. You have to do multiplication, division before addition and subtraction. All right, so first I'm going to copy the 2 there and the plus sign and multiply the 7 and the 5 first. So that becomes 35. Okay, and finally, now we can apply addition. So 2 plus 35 is equal to 37. And boom, we're done with those problems. All right, let's move on to slightly advanced problems here. So look at problem number 15 here. We have parentheses, right? We have inside the parentheses subtraction. We have multiplication here times the 49. We have division by 7. All right, so you might get confused, but remember, follow PEMDAS and you can solve any problem. Right, so start with the parentheses. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. All right, parentheses comes first. I copy the rest of it. Remember, one at a time. Don't rush until you get advanced, right? So next, we have PEMDAS, multiplication, division. So I'm going to do here 2 times 49. Okay, so 2 times 49 is what? 98 divided by 7. Okay. All right. Next, we have 98 divided by 7, which is 1. 7 goes into 9 once, 28, and that becomes 20 is 4. So 14 times 7 is 98. Let's double check that. 14 into 7 is equal to 8. Carry the 2. Yep, 98. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to number 16. PEMDAS says take care of the parentheses first. So we have 7 times 5 here. So we have 35 divided by 5. And finally, we apply division here. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. All right, now 17 looks a little bit tough. It's okay. Remember, break down the complicated parts into smaller modules using PEMDAS. So first, I'm going to apply PEMDAS here at the top. Apply PEMDAS at the bottom of this division sign here, this one. And then copy the rest of the equation. So let's start. At the top of this, the numerator of this division sign, we have only subtraction. So 43 minus 1 is equal to 42. And then at the denominator, we have 4 plus 2 here, which is 6. Right? 4 plus 2 is 6. And then we copy the plus 10. Okay. Next, we have, which one do we choose? Well, let's revert to PEMDAS. PEMDAS says do next multiplication division before addition subtraction. So 42 plus divided by 6 is equal to 7 plus 10. And finally, 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. So notice how we broke the complicated problem into smaller chunks and solved using PEMDAS. All right, finally, problem number 18 here. Again, follow PEMDAS, parentheses first, before exponents, before multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here I'm going to take care of this parentheses. So we have 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. All right, I eliminated the parentheses. I copy the rest of it. Remember, don't rush. Once you get better and better, then you can do all this in your head, right? So next we have 13 times 35 divided by 5. Okay, I'm going to simplify this complicated piece here, this one, 35 divided by 5. So I copy the rest of the equation. And remember, addition comes after multiplication division. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7 plus 6. All right, what do we do next? Well, multiplication division comes before addition subtraction. So I take care of 13 times 7. All right, what is 13 times 7? Looks like 91. Okay, always confirm these multiplications in case I make any mistakes. All right, plus 6. And finally, 91 plus 6 is 97. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll move on to the next video. See you.